So I'm sure here we are given the following ratio, the following sketch. They say we have KL.
Yes.
You use your colored pens.
Yes.
So you have your KL. Let's use red. So they say starting from here to here.
Yes.
It's 3 parts. It's not 3, it's 3P.
Yeah.
And then they say from L to N.
18 parts.
This is 18 parts. All in all, should you have 16 parts?
Yes.
Because you should also remember that when you are whatever it is that you're doing. Let's take blue. With blue, we have KM. Starting from here to M.
Yes.
It's KM.
Yes.
It's 5K.
Yeah, 5K.
MN. It's 3K. What?
Yes.
Now, unlike before, there is no person you can come and check. This one, does it have the red and the blue? No,
Yes.
like which they are exactly fitting on top of each other. We don't have that. Even if you come and check here, you don't have blue and red. Even here, you don't have blue and red. But you can see which is the blue and the red. Starting from here to here, there's blue. And then starting from here to there, there's what? There's red. Meaning which I can say 8K. If I take KN.
Yes.
If I take KN.
Yes.
KN
it's close to 8
is equaling to 8K.
Yes.
If I look at blue.
Yes.
At the same time, KN is equaling to 16 parts.
Yes.
And then the comparison that we have between these two is that both of them, they're equaling to what? To KN. Meaning which 8K is equaling to 16 parts.
Yes.
Now we said we can then take it to one side.
Yes.
Divide by 8, divide by 8. And then it says K is going to be equal to 2 parts.
Yes.
I took a long drive, did it this way.
You did that. You tried to got this one.
Which I did what? You know, I told them or having working KM minus KL, it don't pay LM. Get? And then go again, got LN minus LM, I minus MN, impa LM. I get? Then I created the two equations.
The two equations.
Yeah, that's then I didn't bring it.
But then let's look at how far do we go with this one. Maybe KL. Now we're looking for KL.
Yes.
So we said KL
would be
all over LM.
Yes.
As a ratio, let's check KL. KL is 3P.
Yes.
This is 3 parts. But LM, what is LM? This one?
Yes. I don't know. I don't need
You
to
don't
find
know
it.
We need to find this one.
Yes.
Okay, how do we find this one then?
5K minus 3P.
It says which we have 5. Let's write it there. So if we say we have KL, but now how do you get, we have KN, which is going to be equal to KL plus KLM.
I'm confident.
Does this still make sense, guys?
Well, this thing over 7x.
Hello? It's KL
Yes.
plus LM. Okay, but now let's look at what is KM in terms of our variables. Our KM is 5K.
Yes.
And then our LM minus 3P, which is going to be what to be LM, which is what we're looking for.
Yes.
So we can come and substitute here and say, okay, we know what is this LM. This LM basically is, okay, let me not put another equal sign. This LM is 5K minus 3P. Yes.
We could simply calculate LM. We know that K represents the 2P. We're getting wrong. More 5K more kine.
Yeah, that's what we're doing now.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to say we have 3P
Yes.
all over 5 multiplied by 2P minus 3P.
Yeah. So, LM.
What is important, Rapela, we need to have a strategy with how we're going to approach this thing. And then we need to be consistent with the strategy that we're going to be using. So we have 3P all over. This is 10.
7P.
This is 7P.
Yes.
P and P gone.
Over 7.
Then we have 3 over 7.
Oh, now I calculated LN instead of
KL all over LM. So we need to be consistent.
Yeah. Okay.
We need to be consistent. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? ngalo e nngwe jwalo ntle ho fellwa nyana.
No, sir.